Now Maqabane, njengoba ubaba ekhansele i-policy conference, that means there was no any importance for that policy conference. And definitely ukuze ayikhansele, it's because of he picked up something on that policy conference. The plan, it was to kick ubaba outside, athathelwe ipower ngale policy conference. Now he cancelled that policy conference. Yabonhlekwa naboThoni Yengeni naboNomvalo, this group, and then they are coming up with another plan of saying it's a workshop conference. That conference is gonna spend 20-something million. Umkhonto, people are suffering on the ground ngama resources okusebenza. We don't have ama t-shirts kuma wards. Akuna magazebo. Akuna mabhena. Asina mabhodi. Siya kwenye into esibiza nge-national local election. Nifuna ukuthatha 20 million niyoyispenda kwi-workshop workshop policy conference. What's that? What is important about yona? Mana siqala ukufika kuma-politiki. We don't need workshops. The only workshop need the important one, ama-party agent, where we were supposed to get the new faces of party agents. Ama-party agents that who don't have ingqondo yokutshontsha nokumanipulate nokudayisa ama-votes nokuthatha ama-bribes. Nibhizi nizela nezinto zama-workshop esingazi yini esisazoyitshela uNhleko esingayazi in these 3 years ngayo. Yini esizoyitshela uThoni Yengeni. He was part of abantu ababesusa ubaba uThoni Yengeni. He was supporting the very same group. Today he's here to teach us how to run an organization. We are not new in politics. Ukuba kwi-position high, it doesn't mean that you know politics. There are a lot of people on the ground who are not wearing t-shirt of any political party, but they know politics, umdlula or Comrade Skip. And that thing, it's proven nge-ANC. Now, ayikho into esazoyitshelwa ilabantu thina. The importance now, ye-MK, ukuwina ama-local election, nothing more, nothing less. Asifune conference workshop la nama policy policy conference for what? We know we have a president, and then nina lapho nje nihleli nigadile nje, you are watching dogs esingazi ukuthi nigade futhi abobani. The only thing ni personal nje ngokungena kuma family matters na kuma family issues abantu. Makumele nisebenzele organization. Where is the lady that was appointed as a head of national election? Where is that woman? She's not active. But Nomvalo as Nobala, he's the one who's busy taking out our guidelines and all that. And he's being misled by Abothoni, Nabonhleko. We can't waste 20 million on policy conferences while we don't have money for elections. As you guys, part of the high command, nina imali ama-election. Hey, yazi nina nicela ukudlala la, nizodlala ngathi la emkhontweni, yazi. Nizodlala ngathi la emkhontweni. Yonke into enizoyenza sizoyibona, thina yikho into esingeke size siyibone la emkhontweni. Bese sizibona ngalo kwagogo, nangapha siloke sizozibona lezo zinto. And nalento yokuthi advise ubaba ukuthi sibe nama deputy president ayi2, where is that thing come from? Why singabi ne secretaries esinye ne deputy secretary sibe hey madoda ngazodlala ngathi man, ningazodlala ngathi. oThoni Yengeni basithola la, basithola umkhonto sowukhulile, bazile manje bazo destroy, bafuna ukuvula amakhabhali ngaphakathi komkhonto wesizwe party. We can't entertain that nonsense. Our focus is all LGE. Bona babhizi beza nento zabo lama issues wabo la. Bathunyelwe. A sellout will be always a sellout. A sellout will be always a sellout. Lama comrade wethu la hambisana ahamba nomoya makuthiwa ziyadonswa ziyali eza umuntu ekhuluma kamnandi sidonse ziyali bese bacabanga ukuthi izinto zizohamba smooth. Even now we are late for ama local election. We are late. Akusibona bothoni ngena abasebenzayo la phansi. Akusibona bonomvala abasebenza. Akusibona bonhleko abasebenzayo la phansi. Yithi esisebenzayo la phansi. And we are not getting paid. Ngalo msebenzi esiwenzayo. Senze make sure ukuthi umkhonto uyakhula. Bona they are gaining paid for nothing. Ala makhehla wasuke ngathi nangapha emkhonteni sizosokoliswa amakhehla. Ngathi sizosokoliswa amakhehla labantu ake basuke lapha manje. We have young people who are active, who understand politics. I-aim yabo ukuliberate umuntu omnyama nokubuyisa izwe ne-economy yale country. That's all. Abanandaba nento eningi. Lamakhehla agcwele yonke lento bagosipha ababhizi ngabafazi ungazi ukuthi yini inkinga yabo. Inyomfo nje banenkinga zemizi yabo bashiswa izicathulo zabo abazi noma bagqoka usize 11 or usize 20 eyake bafokofe labantu baphume laba manje. Nangale kwagogo kukhalwa ngizalukwazi nangapha sokhala ngabo futhi. Asinankinga no deputy president uHlophe azange afika senzela ama problems la. He's a good person, he's a good man, he's a respective person. Nobaba sinankinga naye as president, but sinale minyofu nje ezela kuzonyofa la. Inyofu imizi yabo bafuna ukuzonyofa la emkhontweni. Banyove nemizi yabantu. Hayi man, hey. Ningazosinyanyisa man. Akuna workshop conferences ohlala. Workshop for what? What? Ni plan ukuzosusa ubaba futhi nani? Hayi buake nimini kancane nina man. Ngithanda kabi ukumosha izinto engazi initiateanga man. Hamba novula ama political pathway. Niyekela ukumosha into zabantu ezivulwa abanye abantu ngezibongo zabo.
Comrade, morning, my dear. That's always the morning. Comrade, ngicela ukunibusela emuva kancane nje. Ngokuthula kwami kakhulu ngimamele yonke into zene nizikhulumayo la. Cela siyidebate comrade, singayekini. Politics is all about debate. Nakuleya group yenu leni nikhuluma kuyo ni leadership. Khulumani nicede maningatholi iclarity nibuyeni futhi nisipheni sizokwazi ukuthi ke nasibe neclarity. Comrade, kunento ezayo. Kune workshop conference ezayo kungasikudala eplanwayo. Kuleyo workshop conference leyo is going to take almost 20 million. Leyo conference leyo izothatha 20 million comrade. Makuzospendwa 20 million ku workshop conference. Ama-party agent asasogola ngokudla, simple thing ukudla. Ama-ground force asasogola ngamagazebo. Ama-ground force asasogola ngento eziningi. Kodwa ku-leadership kukhona imali ezophuma iyokwenza workshop conference. Nayo leyo conference leyo eyokwenzakala leyo i-conference ukuthi ke nabazama ukuketula ubaba. Comrade, asibuyeni silideni ngokweqiniso comrade. Asingayi ngokuthi ubani wenzani. Ama position la nke esiwatholile singawajabuleli because it doesn't mean nothing masinganamali. Imali IEC ikhiphile imali yama political party for campaign. Asina ma billboard eswaplagile. Asina ikipa esizinikeza abantu. Asina ma pamphlet wama manifesto yethu. Asina next. Yithi njena sihlaza nje sicwe. Siya kuma election njengaqala saya sihlaza. Siyabuyela futhi MK inemali guys manje. Umkhonto wesizwe unemali. Why don't ukuthi ke na bonke abo organizer nabo nobhala nabo fundraiser nama convener nama coordinator wonke wase Gauteng, wonke wase Gauteng province ngibala ekuruleni sengihlanganisa wonke lama region laka, wonke lama regional ane Gauteng ahlangane abhale incwadi ezoya straight kuNomvelo, ezoya straight kubaba. Ngezikhalo zethu sonke sikhuluma into ewane guys. They can't ukuthi yena boNomvelo ba organize a big conference yelona ukuthi ke na sizofundiswa ngepolitiki. How many kunini sifundiswa ngepolitiki guys? Kunini sifundiswa ngepolitiki? Abantu sebazi bayayazi ipolitiki yako MK. Siyahabulisana sesiyawazi umhabulo guys. Siya ku 2026 election guys with no resources guys. Manje siya kuma registration with no resources. Masiya kuma registration uzothi ufika lapha egate any part ezobi khona lapha egate izobibeka igazebo yabo, izobibeke izitulo zabo, bazobibabeka amabhena wabo. Kumnandi kunje yaya. Thina esibhostayo esithi ke na silithathile ilizwe sizobakhulula abantu whatever siyenzayo, but ke na we don't have a way forward. We don't have gazebo, we don't have banners, we don't have pamphlet, we don't have t-shirt, we don't have nothing. Kodwa siya kuma registration ngama party agent wethu esizowakhipha ayo volunteer lapha, ama volunteer umkhonto wesizwe siyawakhipha. Yes, kumele ukuthi ke na ayile kumnyama kubovu, kumele ayile masingawadi campaigning. Kodwa ke na true iqiniso lithi ke na sizoya ku conference ye 20 million singana ma resource na. Why don't ukuthi ke na kungathathwa la that 20 million i-divide wonke lama province, 9 lama province lawa, that 20 million ubonakala ukuthi ke na lama province ayisebenzisa kanjani, amagazebo, amabhena, iziyo zonke i-resource iyatholakala, ukudla, water and refreshment, everything kuyatholakala for our party agents from registration until to your vote ku-prepare. I-conference ye 20 million izosinceda ngani comrade? Ngapha sithi umkhonto awunamali kodwa ke nasiya ku conference ye 20 million. Siyazi ukuthi ke na ikakafiki endlebeni zabanye abantu lento le, kodwa ke thina esigugulayo sesiyitholile ukuthi ke siya ku conference, and that conference is going to cost 20 million guys, because angeke ihlale ilanga eli1, izohlala 3 to 4 days. Labantu laba balapho kulo conference they supposed ukuthi ke badle baphuze, abanye babhukhelwe nendawo zokulala. Asicabangeni comrade, asicabangeni kahle comrade, asicabangeni kahle. We have to thina singama ground forces, position of no position sonke asithini singama ground forces sonke. Sithi singama ground forces sonke, we going to fight. Sikhulume ngento eyi1 nje nesicelayo ku SG wethu. ukuthi ke abathathe that imali ye conference lena abafuna ukuyenza. Now is not the time, akusisikhathi sama conference comrade. Thina sizoloku siqwebhana lana phansi siqwebhana kanti ke imali ikhona yikho nalento esiqwebhana ngayo. Imali ikhona, imali imeli idilike ize lana phansi isetshenziswe ngendlela right. If ever they see ukuthi ke we are going to misuse that leyo mali leyo, let them buy ama resources for thina again, then basidilivele lawo ama resources lawo. Basho ukuthi sisho ukuthi ke ku subcentral usinama ward ayi12, kulama ward ayi12 sinama VD ayingaki, kuyodingeka amagazebo ayingaki, kuyodingeka ikipe ezingaki, kuyodingeka ama board ayingaki, because ke nasikaka apply even ne1. Bekumele ukuthi ke ngabe kulanka wama registration sesiplagila yabonakala. Akhona amanye ulanka wokuregister, lanka wokurejistela ukuvota, abantu bawathatha abanye bawabeka endlini zawo. Kanti uyasuppose ukuthi ke bathathe lawo amabhodi bawachome nje noma kweliphi ipali nje nabawabeke celeni kweshop nje bafike balibeke lelo bhodi lelo. Kodwa ke ama ungathi uyabheka amabhodi asezindlini zabo. Wayangaplawa amabhodi comrade. Lanka asho lanka kunescanner sokuregister, lanka nescanner sokuregister. Wayangaplawa. Akhona lawo mabhodi lawo, amanye akhona awanikezwa abantu. Yes, kumele kube sibe toxic la ema groupini, kumele sibe toxic because we need that information, and that information imele siyithole. Sidebate ngayo, sidebate nge-information esiyitholayo, sidebate ngayo, sihlulane masihlulana nge-debate. But again, the main fact imele sithole i-resolution yayo ukuthi again how we are going to deal with that situation at that particular moment, because this is it's a serious issue le enkhuluma ngayo ma comrade. It's a serious issue. Ma-comrade mawazoya kuma-registration, ama-party agent wethu anganakudla, anganamagazebo, anganama-t-shirt, angana-nex, well other political party will be there, they will be issuing t-shirts, they will be busy registering and mobilizing and recruiting also lapho comrade. Let us try ukuthi kena sibambaneni. Angazi ukuthi kena ngenza kanjani ukuthi kena sibambaneni, sibe yinto e1, sibe yimbumba. Oyo sazi ukuthi kena siyazondana, sithandani, asizwani, kodwa again asibe into e1, asibuilding this unity kwamanje. Silweni ngento eyi1 ukuthi again we stop that conference, ezayo esingayazi ukuthi yofika nini, kodwa again before November izobe seyikhona that conference izobe seyenziwe. Is going to cost us 20 million. 20 million guys. That 20 million can do a lot for us. Singama kulamalona i9 lawo, kulama province i9. Ingenza i-divide kayi9 le 20 million, ubheke ukuthi ke ne-province yothola malini. It's too much. Where's i-IEC deliver imali ye-campaign to each and every political party. That's why ubona amanye ama-political party sewapostile vote what. Because again i-IEC relievile imali guys. Thina sizoloku siqwebhana lana phansi, siqwebhana singama ground force. Labantu abale phezulu yibo are the ones who supposed to be blamed guys. Ukuthi wena uthole i-position last week una 2 weeks uku-position guys, treat yourself as a ground force kwamanje guys. uku-region, uku-subcentral, treat yourself as a ground force kwamanje, guys, because again, if ever you're going to bring back i-report ethi kena ama-party agent akunakudla kwama-party agent, akunama-refreshment wama-party agent, akunamagazibo, akuna-ekipa, akuna-next. Treat yourself as a ground force. Ungazibeki njengomuntu olapha phezulu, because we are fighting those people abalapha phezulu ukuthi again how can ukuthi bona baplane i-conference lecturing conference for 4 days or for 5 days leyo ye 20 million ezocosta 20 million. Asibeni matured, guys, we try ukuthi ke nasithola izinto masinyane before silwe before into ilona. Kuthiwe kunabantu ke abaphiwe ukuhlakanipha ukubona izinto ziseseleni ezingakafiki njengala. Sine sizibonile lezi zinto ziseza leni, asishayeni thina abanye lana ukuthi ke si understandeni lento leyo, then we try ukuthi ke silwe lento leyo, then sizo survive, comrade. Not to say ukuthi ngazi kakhulu or ngingcono kunobani. No, we are all equal, guys. Comrade, we are all equal. Sinte one, simbumba sinte one, sonke siyafana. Sengicela comrade. Thina siwest ku-subcentral yethu sinabo honorable siphethwe sine-province siwesi information supposed ukuthi kena izizele. Money was supposed not to be a problem for ama-party agent wethu. Money was not supposed to be a problem for ama-ward nama-VD wethu. When it comes to campaign and mobilize and recruit and registration to vote, money was not supposed to be a problem. Spetable honorable speti province. Abantu bethu esibaphethe lana baku province baku legislate. We are not supposed even discussing. We are supposed masicala sithi kena sishoda ngaloku kube yibo abathi kena bathumela ababathumela ukuthi kena stop those people banga complain kakhulu. We are there for bona. Not ukuthi kena size sifike ukuthi kena sithole nokuthi kena kune 20 million eyospendwa just for a conference. Please, comrade. Please, asibuyeni sibeni into one. Let's try ukuthi kena si-recession. Mhlampe mina le 20 million ngizwe ngenye indlela, mhlampe is 2 million. I don't know, but kena that is too much futhi nakhona. We can do something for 2 provinces or 3 provinces. Please, guys, the conference is serious kakhulu. Mayizospend imali engaka. West Party it's a lecture. Kunini is-lecture emkhontweni. Kunini is-lecture. Sa-lecture abo Floyd, sa-lecture abo bani, sa-lecture. Dadabhlanje sisazo-lecture futhi. But imali ezospendwa this lecture is too much, guys. It's too much. Tuthi kuwo wonke lama lecturing la akuspendwa imali. Akunandaba ngokuthi ke nama ground forces athini. Asihlanganeni silweni as ama-ground forces, singalwini as ukuthi kena singama-sub wathi singabo convener singama-position. No, lokho angeke kusincede nga-next lokho. Asihlanganeni sibe nama-volunteer omkhonto wesizwe, sibe ama-ground forces, silweni ukuthi kena this coming election, make no mistake ukuthi kena i-budget siyayithola siye kuma-election se-right, sazi ukuthi everything is covered. Please, guys, please, comrade, please. Angizenzi ngcono, angizenzi ngathi ngazi kakhulu, kodwa again let us focus entweni one manje. Bekuthiwe kena ama-POA ayavalwa, angeke kusabe khona ama-POA. Leyo mali yama-POA leyo yama-event izosebenza kuma-election. But they still planning another thing enkulu eyospend a lot of money. Ngapha bathi kena abanamali ama-party agent okudla kusiya kuma-registration. Asinamagazebo. ngiyanizwa nikhala nge-4 days nge-4 days, not to say ukuthi bebangazi labantu abalapha phezulu abo SGI ukuthi uNomvelo hayi ukuthi bekangazi ukuthi-ke siya kuma-registration asinamagazebo, asinamagazebo, asinama-laptop, asina data, asina data. Amanye amaphathi sewaphethe idatha, baba ready baphethe idatha, babhizi bangena door to door ba-register abantu, baya-register, baya-recruit, bangena bayenza i-door to door, baphethe idatha. Thina sikakafikengeleli next, kuyomele ukuthi sizishaye ekhwameni futhi-ke sithenge idatha, siregister abantu. Hayi comrade, ipolitiki yasemkhontweni ngiyayisaba because-ke inama-threats phakathi, inama-threats, ugcina sothenjiswa nokubulawa. Siyayazi ipolitiki vele injalo, uthenjiswa nokubulawa mawukhuluma kakhulu, mawukhuluma ama-facts nakhona, mawukhuluma amaqiniso uthenjiswa nokubulawa, khuluma kakhulu uzobulawa, uzodliswa i-poison, uzothengelwa abantu bazokubulala. Ngiyayisubmitha comrade, ningangibulali kodwa ngiyasho ngithi ngibulaleni magwala.